Welcome back. Here we are for our big experience. And this week we're learning about things that are in the sky. Exactly. If you looked outside right now, what would you see in the sky? And why? Well, I'm getting ready to show you a poster. We're going to be looking at some of the things that we see in the sky in the poster, and we're going to talk about and learn about some of the other things we might see. So let me share with you. All right, friends. Do you see the poster in front of you? Exactly. Can you point to this picture of the little girl in the summertime? In the summer. Exactly. This picture at the end shows the little girl in summer, and summer begins with the S. Can we go through the seasons? This is fall, when the leaves are falling, and winter. That's right. What do you see that makes you think and know that this is the season of winter? The little girl is dressed in coats, jackets, scarves, and oh yes, there's snow. And then we have spring, which is the season we're in right now. And what is the little girl wearing in the spring? A raincoat, rain shoes, and she has her umbrella. And we have the summertime. So why does this tree need the sun? Why do you think the tree needs the sun? That's right. Plants, as we know, the tree is a plant and it needs the sun, the air, water, and soil to help it grow. It definitely needs the sunshine. So this week we're going to be learning about the sun and other things or objects in the sky. So I want you to pretend you're looking in the sky. What do you see? In the daytime, you might see the sun. You might see clouds, exactly. At nighttime, what are you going to see? The moon and stars, exactly. So it changes as what we see in the sky changes as the night comes and then the day comes again. I'm curious about why I see the sun during the day and the moon at night. Do you know why? Let me show you. Do you know why do we see that sun during the day and the moon at night? Do you know? I'm going to show you. Are you ready? I'm going to turn out the light a little bit. And let's turn out the lights. I'm going to pretend. So, before we do, we live on the earth, and the earth is this shape. What shape is this? Round, or we call it a sphere. A sphere means it looks kind of like a ball. A ball is round or the shape of a sphere, meaning it can roll and it just goes round and round on all sides. So this is what we call a sphere. Can you say sphere? Well, we're going to pretend this sphere is the earth. Are you ready? And turn off this light. Whoa, a little bit of the light. Now, I'm going to pretend. Oh, do you see this letter here? Do you know what it is? X. And do you know what X says? X, like in fox. Can you say fox? The X sound is at the end. And box. Can you say box? So that X says, it sure does. Now, what I'm going to do is pretend we're going to be learning a little bit why the sun comes out. We see the sun during the day and the moon at the night. Well, during the day, we're going to pretend that this X is like our house, okay? And when we turn on the light, so the earth is moving. And let me pretend that my cell phone, see the light? That's the sun. We're going to pretend. And do you see the X? So there's the X. And when we're at school, there's the X. The sun is out. Do you see that? Yes, because the sun is shining on the X. It is. It's shining on that X. Now, do you notice on the back side, it's dark. So that means the moon. So as the earth is always moving, and look, now it's nighttime. It's dark on our X. And the light is shining on the other side of the earth. So the earth, so it's nighttime at home. But wait, the earth is moving. Look, it's starting, the X is now in the sun. But you know what? The earth continues to move. We can't feel it because it's so big, but it's moving around and look. Oh, it's nighttime. But pretty soon, look, there's the X, there's our house. Oh, it's back in the sun. So the earth is the shape of a sphere and it's always moving. And there we are at school and it's moving. And when the sun is out, then that is when the earth is towards the sun, then it's light. But then as it's moving around, then if we're not in the sun, it's nighttime. Is that kind of cool? So we can't fit, and the earth is way bigger than my little ball. But it's so huge and we can't feel it moving. So this is the shape of a sphere, exactly. So I'm going to show you some things and you're going to tell me. I'm going to see if you can tell me what this. Is this the shape of a sphere? No, this is the shape of like you can say square, but it's when we see an image like this that has shapes on all sides, it's a cube. So this is more of a cube. This is a sphere because it can roll like a ball, right? So this thumbs up, sphere. Sphere, no way, it's a cube. Okay, I want to see if you know this one. It's round around this side, but it's flat on the top and the bottom. So is this a sphere? No, because the sphere is round and round all over. This is round on the side, but not on the top. Do you know what shape this is? It's called a cylinder. Can you say cylinder? So is it a sphere? No way. Oh, I have my last ones. Whoa. Are these the shape of a sphere? Are they round all over? Oh yeah, they're Whopper candies. Do you like them? Me too. So these candies, and how many do I have? 3. They are sphere. And so now you know that the earth where we all live on the earth, and it's moving. And when the sun is shining, we are towards the sun, just like on that letter X that says X. But as we move, the earth moves away from the sun. We are. And it gets dark because the sun's not shining on us. And then we see the moon. So, pretty cool, right? Well, thank you for helping me with determining some of the things in the sky. Like right now, what's in the sky? The sun. And there might be some clouds. But tonight, as we move away from the sun, the skies get dark. And what do we see in the sky? The moon and stars. That's right. Well, you did an amazing job today. So Miss Stacy and I will see you very soon. Thank you for being good listeners. And maybe you can find something that's sphere, put an X on it, and practice with a flashlight or a cell phone. And practice pretending you're close to the sun, it's daytime, or away from the sun, and it's nighttime. All right, see you later, Gators.